in the middle. I'm doing 12 days of Vlogmas. And the most important thing is make sure that it is authentically you and that you are the main thing that is getting seen in this Vlogmas. Don't stress yourself out trying to put out the perfect Vlogmas video. No one is ever going to be perfect. And that's the point. The point is to have fun and create content that other people can enjoy. It's time. So I heard you want to shoot for Vlogmas. You are in the right place. As in, this is my Vlogmas preparation, and I want to make sure that you have everything that you need to have a flawless and successful Vlogmas. So I'm Taylor. I have been a content creator for the last 5 to 6 years, and this is my second time going into Vlogmas, and so I feel like I have the perfect routine, execution, and all of the other things that you need in order to have a fun and eventful Vlogmas season. Without further ado, let's get started. If you want to have an awesome Vlogmas, these are the tips that you need to execute flawlessly. And I say flawlessly in the effort to have the most scheduled prep, but let's be honest, are we ever going to be like perfect? I don't think so, but I think that's kind of the fun part about it. All of us bring our own value and our own quirks and everything and our own spin on our own content, and that's what makes content creating so much fun. We all get to be these different versions of the things that we want to see put into the world, and I hope that you will implement that into your Vlogmas season. So I have my trusty notes right here, and that way I can stay on track and keep this video short and sweet in the spirit of Vlogmas. So first step or advice tip, how do you want to create your Vlogmas world? Do you want it to be the full 25 days, or are you going to keep it short and sweet and do 7 days? Or are you the person that wants to do something in the middle? I think it's really important to think about what you are capable of bringing to Vlogmas, where it's long, lengthy videos, or are they short, sweet, and to the point. For me, I'm doing something in the middle. I'm doing 12 days of Vlogmas, and this is our day 1. What better way to kick off Vlogmas than to prepare not only myself, but others that want to tackle the Vlogmas task. And so while you're preparing, what kind of videos are you going to make? What's your content style that you can bring and highlight during this Vlogmas season? That is something that you need to take into account. That way, when you are filming, you will also know that you can turn over those editing skills and get the videos posted without stressing yourself out, but still having fun while creating them. I think it's really important to know what kind of content you are going to make during this Vlogmas. Are you going to make daily life content? Are you going to make tutorials? Are you going to make talking head chit chats? What is your vibe? What are you going for? For me, I think it's going to be a mix of all of those things, talking heads, as we see right now. And then I love to do vlogs and the daily life, taking you on my life, like what's going on and behind the scenes, that type of thing. So I feel like figuring out at the beginning what you want to make will set yourself up for success in the end. That way you're not scrambling day to day thinking, oh no, what am I going to create? No, you're already going to have a plan of what you're going to create. I will say this, if you don't know exactly what you want to create, you have an idea, go to Pinterest. Pinterest is my go-to when I don't have the idea fully of what I want, but I have like, some hints of like, I want to throw this in there. I go to Pinterest, I look up some things, take some from there, take some inspiration from there, and I put it all together, and then I come up with my final game plan. While we're on the game plan, now let's talk about how we are going to plan the content that we have chosen to make, right? So going back to the beginning, depending on what your Vlogmas style is going to be and how long you're going to do it, that is when you are going to figure out when you can edit, planning, and scheduling your Vlogmas videos, depending on your vibe. For me, I'm doing a mix of vlogs and talking heads, like I said, so I'm going to space out my filming on those. That way, not only I can film them and get them put into my computer so I can edit them, but I can also get them uploaded in a timely manner. And I think editing is going to be something that you're going to have to figure out on your own, depending on your style, because if you are doing talking heads, those are way easier to edit than if you are doing vlogs. So if you do a mix of those, I feel like that's that sweet spot, because now you have like the fun editing of quick vlog style, but then the talking heads are always going to be functional. And like I said, super easy to edit. That way you're not spending too much time editing and then you miss your posting, because that's what it's all about. It's about posting consecutively for Vlogmas. Now that you have figured out the content you're going to make, and you are in the process of planning to film and edit, this is something that I think is really important. Being fun with your content, but then also getting it out, like planning it, whether it's mood boarding, writing it in your phone notes, or if you're writing it on pen and paper, getting it out of your brain and onto some type of canvas or whatever like physical thing helps me with planning. That way it's not all stuck in my head and I don't have to remember what day I'm going to edit this or what day I'm going to film this. And also remember to film around your schedule. Don't look at everyone else's schedule and think that you can take what they're doing, because you don't know. Maybe they get up at 5 a.m. What is going to work for you in your Vlogmas? And while we're on the topic of filming and editing, batch content is what I'm doing. As I'm currently filming this, I'm going to also film other videos after this and in the midst of this. So if you are able to film 2 to 3 videos at a time, that is going to help you tremendously through the Vlogmas season. But then say you're doing this Vlogmas, but then also maybe you want to take these same techniques and things and add them into your regular everyday content. I think these are definitely things that can be functional and useful when you leave Vlogmas. Now that we have quickly run through all of the things and preparation that you need for this Vlogmas season, I want to leave you with execution and encouragement. Don't stress yourself out trying to put out the perfect Vlogmas video. No one is ever going to be perfect, and that's the point. The point is to have fun and create content that other people can enjoy, and not only they can enjoy, but you can enjoy making it while you're doing it. Not only is this going to be something that's going to help your Vlogmas, but it's also going to help you in the real world, because now you have these skills and these encouraging videos that you have put online for other people to see, but then also for yourself to go back and look on as you continue this content creation journey. I want to stress again, have fun as you are making the Vlogmas. No, it doesn't have to be perfect, but the most important thing is make sure that it is authentically you and that you are the main thing that is getting seen in this Vlogmas. Even if you want to help people, make sure you are helping them from your own point of view. Make sure that you are putting more of yourself than anyone else into this Vlogmas season, because that's why we're here. We're here to see you, not anybody else. We want to see what you have to offer us this Vlogmas season, okay? So don't spend your time trying to be everything else. Be you. That's what we want to see. We want to see more of that beautiful face and everything else that you have to offer this beautiful world, okay? Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope this helped. If you have any other questions, or maybe I didn't touch on something in depth the way you would have liked me to, let me know in the comments if this is going to be something that is helpful for you for your Vlogmas, or maybe even in your future content creating and I'm not going to edit this out, because this is the point of Vlogmas. It's not to be perfect, but it's to try, put yourself out there. So let me know in the comments. Are you trying Vlogmas? And if not, are you going to try next year? Or maybe you try something fun like this going into the future. Maybe it's not Vlogmas, but maybe you challenge yourself, even if it's on Instagram or TikTok, you challenge yourself to post consistently. I'm excited to see what you guys create. I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you, but God and Jesus love you even more than you could ever think, fathom, or imagine. And if you don't want God involved, don't ask me. Don't ask. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. So you want to create for Vlogmas? Well, you came to the right video. Tester 1 2 3. This is Taylor shooting for Vlogmas December 2025. You don't want God involved, don't ask me. Don't ask. I'm going to mention God. I am.